Yes, people travel gang. In this video, I'm just going to show you what it's like to drive in Guatemala. Or is it dangerous to drive in Guatemala? Who knows? But in this video, you're going to find out. Exit the city. We're currently in Xela and we're on our way to Panajachel, or Bana as I say here in Guatemala. It's where the Lake Atitlan is, the main port. And yeah, currently it's a bit weird. See me being British, driving on the left hand side. Oh, okay, now still in second gear, boy. Should be in first. Oh my god. Okay. Shall I give way here, don't I? Okay, so we'll give way here. Left of the roundabout. Cool, I'm gonna go now. Which way? Straight?
Left.
Okay, so it's a bit sketchy, people. So yeah, people just move wherever they want to move, turn wherever they want to turn. Try getting on the outer lane or inner lane, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to drive in Guatemala. Is it dangerous? Sorry for any Guatemaltecos watching the video. Compared to Europe, it is a bit sketchy, or as we say, yeah, dangerous. I don't know. I've driven it here a few times, still not 100% used to it. The roads are quite mountainous. They go up and down, so I barely get to gear 4 or 5, especially when you're driving locally. But yeah, let's carry on, people. Let's see what it's like. Would you drive in Guatemala? Do you want to drive in Guatemala? Is this why you're watching the video? Let me know in the comments. And as you can see, there's people begging on the streets. Yeah, hopefully I can show you loads more action on the roads of Guatemala, where we've got a British Indian driving. Are we going straight?
Sí.
What do I just? Jesus. Okay. It's not as bad as India with the horns. Beep 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 beeps. It's a lot worse in India. Check it. Here we are, people. Travel gang. Do you like, comment, subscribe? A lot of you people watching are not subscribers. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Get me? Alright. Mountainous roads, mountainous country. Right, I'm on gear 4 now. Going about 80 kilometers in an hour. 80 kilometers an hour, sorry. That's about 50 miles an hour. Check these buses out, people. All the American school buses painted in fancy colours. The local buses of Guatemala, the local transport. Oh my god, what's going on there? Look at that truck, it's leaking water or something. Right, I'm going left here, mate. I'm going to Izquierda. We're just heading up into the mountains now. I think so anyway. Driven here a couple of times. Can't remember if I told you earlier in the video. apologies to the Guatemalans because I'm complaining about how dangerous it is here. Well, I'm not concluding it's dangerous just yet. We'll see at the end of the video. Am I going left here?
See left.
Okay, I'm on the wrong lane. People, I'm on the wrong lane. Can I go? See? Okay. So I'm saying, people, it's a bit confusing for me. Yeah, we're approaching the mountains now. High gear, revving action going on. So yeah, we're driving a Ford EcoSport. I think it's a 1.6, not sure. Siva. So 1.6 petrol manual. Look at it, some guy overtaking me on the right hand side. I should be in that lane and he should be overtaking me this side. But anyway, that's the way it goes down here, people. God, careful here. These trucks are slow up these hills. So far, people, we're not even half away into our journey. I think driving in these mountainous roads with loads of different switchbacks going in and out, so definitely I prefer this than to the city. The city was quite stressful. Yeah, I'm liking these mountainous roads. Although we're barely getting beyond gear 3 and 4, it's a nice drive. I see some potholes on the roads coming up. Hopefully I can show you guys some of the bad roads in Guatemala. Currently it's been pretty good, you know. Been pretty good, I gotta say. Not too bad, mate, not too bad. Enjoying the drive, sunshine. Enjoying the drive. Check out that pothole there, boy. Jeez. Crazy, boy. Don't get me wrong, it's bad in England as well. For any Guatemalans watching this video, any Latin Americans, I'm not having a laugh. Because in England we get it as well. Bad roads. It's not just bad here, it's bad everywhere. You know, a country like England, one of the richest countries in the world, the roads are still bad, I'm telling you.
This, stop.
Gosh, guys, almost could have been going flying over that fucking bump, boy. Jeez. Man is doing about 20 miles an hour, 30. I've seen that warning signs on that. It was a warning sign. Stretch bit of road. Put my foot down. At about 80 kilometers an hour. That's about 55 miles per hour, I think, approximately. Check out the views, they're amazing. Right in front of me. It's dangerous driving here because the views are so nice. You know, you can take those eyes off the road for a split second. That's the hardest thing about driving here, I'd say, people. It's not the drivers, not the roads, it's the amazing views. That's what makes it dangerous to drive in Guatemala. Because you're always looking around like, whoa, wait, damn, look at that view. So you got to be careful, people. Try not to look at those mountains and the volcanoes. Just keep looking at the road, do you get me? Porque es peligrosa. Check out the prices, guys. Regular, super, diesel, 32 quetzales, 33 and 30. £1 is about 10 quetzales. Yeah, I'm gonna pull into this petrol station and get a drink or something. Man's thirsty, you know. Directo, ¿verdad? Stuck behind this lady driving a motorbike without no helmet. That's the way it is around here. They don't wear no helmets. Lucky. See them?
Wait.
Man's stuck in the middle. Got to go down there, but see? Cheers, mate. Check this gangster road out, people. Oh my god. Okay, now. Don't know if you can tell how steep it is, but it is steep. Look how steep it is, people. Okay, now. Man's just holding on to the brake where. Jesus, you made it, survived. Not yet, no? Okay. Fuck. Still doing the roadworks here? No, they're not. Okay, last. Okay, we're going straight. Is that in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is this where they were doing roadworks last time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this lady needs to move out the way because man's. Come in. Jeez. I don't know what the gradient is, but we're going down. Check it out, people. Jumping off tuk-tuks or rickshaws, motorbikes going past me. Yeah, it's tight roads, bumpy roads, you get me? It's a bit of traffic here. Travel gang. So yes people, almost made it to the location. My thoughts, well, I think I've kind of already told you my thoughts throughout this whole journey. Driving in Guatemala, is it dangerous? Well, I wouldn't say it's dangerous, but you've got to keep your wits about. You've got to be careful. That's in any country, I guess, but definitely I think in Guatemala you've got to be extra careful. Seems to be a few rules on road. Some rules for some people. Then there's no rules for someone else, you get me? So yes people, travel gang, driving in Guatemala, this is what it's like, the real experience, you know. And like I said earlier, the most dangerous bit is these views, because yeah, when you're driving there's loads of nice views, you get me? And it's tempting to look around. But yeah boy, here's me with my GoPro making a video and going down some mountain with loads of switchbacks. Highly illegal in some countries, but here is perfectly fine. Get me? Jeez. Yeah, travel gang. Thanks for watching the people all the way to the very end. Just arrived at destination Panajachel. Got some business here for a couple of days. But yeah, what do I think of driving in Guatemala? Well, it's a nice drive. You just got to be careful. Just look ahead, always look ahead. Just watch out for the potholes. And yeah, the most important part, don't get drawn to all the beautiful views, because there's so many. You would be looking at all the volcanoes and the mountains and the lakes, and mate, something could happen. But yes people, travel gang, and I'm just enjoying mango daiquiri, Karma. Give you a little quick try in front of the camera. Banging. Give it a 10 out of 10. Here's a motor that we drive in Ford EcoSport. But yes people, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you like that one. Something different for you people. What's it like in driving Guatemala? It's all good, baby. Peace in the Middle East.